Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all had a fantastic summer. Hope everyone's ready to get kids back in school and some football. Lots of fun things coming up in the next few months. But here's the August market report for Wilsonville. If you want to know more about stats on other areas that you live in, reach out and we can talk about your particular home. But home prices decreased this month. The median sold price for Wilsonville in July was $615,000. Now this is a 10% decrease from last month. The market in Wilsonville generally is still good, but various areas and neighborhoods are seeing a slowing of showings and offers and price reductions on homes. It's been crazy to see all the emails in my inbox of homes that are being reduced in price. Now you'll still see neighborhoods and parts of cities that are still hot, but we're definitely seeing a slowing of the market overall. Again, I think this cooling of the market is healthier overall. It levels out the playing field for our buyers. What I am finding is that sellers are coming into the market with thoughts and dreams of last year, or even 6 months ago, and wanting 73 offers and $150,000 over their asking price for the home. But it's just not the case anymore, and sellers are going to have to be patient and wait for the right buyer to come to them. It's a learning experience considering these last 2 years, so having a good agent help you as a seller to list your home properly is key to getting the max value out of your place. I'll keep you in the loop as we see what rates do over the next few weeks. But the inventory for Wilsonville in July increased since the previous month to 36 active listings. This isn't uncommon to have this many listings going into summer, but the rate increases have also contributed to more listings and houses sitting on the market longer. School is starting up and fall is coming, so it'll be interesting to see how the market changes as we head into the new season. Demand is still there, but rates are changing and the buyers are willing to wait it out for a bit. So again, going into a sale without a strategic plan and marketing strategy can cost you thousands of dollars. So it's good to chat with someone about how to get the highest return on your home before you go about listing it. Now the median days on market for Wilsonville was 4. Home sales, again, are still good here for now, and homes priced well should still sell fairly quickly. That could change over the coming months, so stay tuned. So those are the stats for Wilsonville for this month. If you're looking to buy or sell in the next 12 months, give me a call and we can talk about this changing market and how to get the highest return on your home or best deal for a home when the time comes. Hope you guys are doing great and you enjoy this fall season coming up. See ya.